hơi nhắm គឺយើងត្រូវការពេលវេលា2ឆ្នាំដែលក្រុមការងាររបស់កូនខំប្រឹងមែនទែនថ្ងៃនេះកូនចង់ជូនម៉ាក់ជាការតបស្នងគុណក៏ដូចជារួមចំណែកដល់សារវប្បធម៌យើងដែរ
In a successful Kickstarter campaign to fund her cookbook, Cambodian famed chef Ratana Ruh, commonly known as Chef Nat, says her country's culinary art is at risk of disappearing.
When I tried to find out how was Cambodian cuisine like 50 or 100 years ago, I searched in libraries, talked to historians, archaeologists. I couldn't find anything in particular.
The 34-year-old self-taught chef helped her family sell vegetables and learned to cook from them when she was a child. Now she is racing against time to document traditional Cambodian recipes passed down orally from genocide survivors in remote Cambodian villages.
The Cambodian people in remote provinces are the source of original Khmer arts and traditions, but they do not have the habit of writing them down.
The few written records of Cambodian culinary traditions were almost completely erased in the mid-1970s by the Khmer Rouge regime. During its 4-year rule, 1.7 million people were killed and Cambodian cuisine was reduced to a daily diet of watery rice porridge. A daughter of Khmer Rouge survivors, Ruth says her mission is to make sure the world and her sons know about Khmer food.
We know that Cambodians don't have the habit of documenting our traditions. I have now documented about 200 Khmer dishes and I selected 80 of them for my first cookbook.
The 200-page cookbook entitled Nyam or Eat consists of recipes for the country's signature dishes like cocoa soup, banana rice cake, fried fish bread, and stone crab stir fry with pineapple. Yet Ruth says Nyam is more than just a book of recipes.
A major feature of this book is that I describe all the health benefits for all individual dishes and ingredients.
While developing precise cooking measurements and nutritional information for her cookbook, Ruh also runs a home restaurant, offers food consultancy, and hosts cooking shows. I'm Chetra Chap for VOA News, Washington.